Okay, my last video showing the internet Bravia TV, I was using the remote that comes along with the TV itself. Once again, this is what it looks like, just like a regular bar here, with color coded and whatnot, and you have the circular controller over here and your menu functions over here. What I want to show in this video is that actually you don't need to use this if you don't want to, if you don't like it, or if it gets broken, you still have another option. And the other option is basically using your Android tablet. So here's my Android tablet right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the menu and show you the Sony media player. Let me find it. Okay, so it's called Media Remote. So I'll just focus in on here. Media Remote, I can't see it very well. So when you open it up, Media Remote will ask you what TV or device you want to connect to. So we have the Bravia. I'll connect to that one. And now that we're connected, we have three options. We can use the remote, network services, or settings. So I'm just going to go into the remote first. There we go. So on the remote, you have all the controls. Oops, sorry, I just went back there. You have all the controls that you might want to use for your TV. I bought my TV in Taiwan, so all of the controls are in Chinese. But basically, it's quite simple to understand here. You've got your volumes and also changing functions over here, also numbers, etc. You've got your back and forth, up and down over here, and over here is where you click to get into the menu. I'm just going to click on that. Actually, maybe I should show you with the TV. Okay, so I click on this right here, and the TV goes into the menu. And from now on, I can actually use this to surf on the TV. So this is going to be actually kind of hard to show this. Okay, I'm just going to click on this, and you can see I'm going to the menu over here. I've only got two hands, so it's very difficult for me to show you this. But anyways, you'll have to take my word that it actually works. One interesting thing about it is, if I just go up here in the menu, I'm going to go to, oops, I'm going to go to YouTube. 1 second. Let me go over to the YouTube area. Oops. Okay, so this is one that I recently used. I'm just going to click in here. Now normally, if you were using YouTube and you wanted to do a search, right? So I'm going to go into a new search here. So I get my search bar on my TV and I want to do my search. Normally I would have to use the controller, and that is actually a big pain in the ass. But if you have this interface right here, you have something very cool. This button right here is for keyboard. So I'll pull up the keyboard. Cannot receive text at this time. Okay. Alright, so I click in on the screen. Okay. So this is what the screen looks like on the Bravia if you are trying to type. And I'll just show you how complicated it looks. It's actually pretty ridiculous. Basically, you'd have to use a controller to type using this. I haven't got the English on, so yeah, as you can see in the bottom there, it's got ABC. But just trust me, there is an ABC menu, but you have to use the numbers to input. It takes a long time. So instead of using that with an Android tablet, it makes this problem a lot simpler to solve. What I did is I just called up the menu, and I can just type regularly as it would do. So for example, Google GLE, and OK. And as you can see, it put in the search on the TV. I go down and I press search, and there you go, right? So I'm searching for Google on the TV. Works really great, and boy, does it make typing a lot easier to do. So another great little function of using the tablet with your TV. I think that's pretty well it for this. But anyways, just wanted to let you see this and try to make you understand how it works. Sony needs to do a little bit more work on this, but it does work pretty cool and pretty well. So anyways, give it a go. This app is also available on cell phones, so if you want a smaller screen version, you can also use it just with the regular cell phone as well. Anyways, that's it for now. Next video will be about Samsung All-Share DLNA with the Sony Bravia TV.